Done a fair bit of sanding today on this left hand side and concentrating on that in the main. What I've got to get now is some tape for the exhaust joint there. I pulled it back as it used to be like a cone joint, but it's obviously blown out, so I'm going to make one for that. That's the last engine repair job actually. The forward reverse shaft is has been adjusted up, and I'm quite very happy with that now. As you can see, sanded all the way along. Oh yeah. See, as it starts now. That's the decompressor. I can't start it because it's disconnected. So see that now. See, it's free. There's no resistance there at all now. To start this machine, you've got to put this forward reverse lever into forward like that. Lock it in. It's quite a heavy lever. And you got the resistance now of the engine. You can feel the engine turning out. You can even hear the injectors creaking. Oh. The injectors creaking there. 1, 2. 1, 2 is going. So the sanding down continues. Put it back into neutral. I wish I had more light in here really, but that's another job I was going to do. I was going to rig up a lighting. Thing is, when you spray and you don't want any electric lights, they need to be sealed really. But at least using the garage now, I can be working it properly. I would estimate there's about 2 days work of rubbing down to do. The rolls being the worst. It's going to take a fair bit of rubbing down. But she's taking shape. As you can see, she takes up the full length of the garage. And she drove well yesterday, give it a bit of a run after the shaft modifications, and she seemed to go pretty well actually. Only time will tell, but I'm pretty confident now that the modification has worked. So the colour scheme is going to be black all around the bulkhead, and all in the driving compartment areas will be black. The main body of the machine will be mid-Brunswick green, and the rolls will be as they are now, same shade of red. So I intend to keep it as it was when it was built. You can see this machine's been yellow, blue, white, and finished off with green, a bit rough. The engine is actually silver. As like all Ruston products, the silver engine, but this one's got a light grey base sump, which is very similar to the diesel locomotive greys. So it's come from the same manufacturer. So we'll have to see how it goes. The plan is over the weekend now is to sand this down, and which is going to be a pretty dirty job, but it'll come out good. I got a good feeling about this job, very good feeling. But as you can see, she's taking shape now, the back end. I'm quite pleased with that. So it's on to the next job.